Okay, okay, hello everyone. Today we are gonna do the bullet system, and in this video we will do shooting system and damage system. In this video, okay, player shots to enemy and enemy kills, and if enemy is not killed in and gives enough damage to player, the player will be dead. Okay, and let's open another script called bullets. Okay, well, bullet will be enough. And we come to bullet, delete them, and delete this. Okay, I'm giving space for me. Public float speed equals to 10f. And this is the bullet speed, as you can expect. Public int damage. And it's equals to 1. Okay. We made damage here. We used damage here. We used damage here. And this is damage we will give. And public float lifetime, let's say lifespan or something like that. It is equals to 2f is enough, or we can do this. Three is good. Okay, void and on enable. Okay. There we will have a long code. So if you wanna, you can get them from the another sites in the internet you can find. Or you can write them if you wanna improve yourself. Okay, name of the active and lifetime here. Uh, it's not incock, it's invoke. Okay, and not adding anything here. Up and void update here. In update, we will do transform dot position and plus equals transform dot up multiply speed and multiply time, that's delta time, as we will use, and close it. And another one, void on trigger enter 2D. No, oh sorry. And on trigger enter 2D, we need to add an collider 2D here. Collider 2D and other. In on trigger enter 2D, if other, not if other, dot compare tag equals to player, no player which will interact with the enemy. And if it's enemy, open here this one, enemy health, and enemy health, we will get a variable here. Enemy health now it's equals to other dots get components, and enemy health, let's say, and close it. Sorry, enemy health, then bam, it's close. If another if state, yeah. If enemy health is not null, uh, is not null, then we call over, then we will call enemy health The dot take damage would be good, and as much as damage. Okay. And after the if statement, we will do a deactive here. The active function I'm calling, another function name you will call, is appreciated. Okay, and we use a deactive here, and we will use it here. Um, void deactive, and up here, and waiting for it. Bro, this kills me. What I'm done. Okay, adding here another parenthesis. Cancel invoke. Close. This is a function, and it's a read function in Unity's itself. That makes the active things set active false, as we can see right now. Game objects that set active false. They are literally the same thing which stops the rendering, and void deactive is the function we will call in the on trigger enter 2D. What is this code doing is it recognizes if it is enemy and gives damage to the enemy as the enemy health. And if enemy health, the calls will die, it will get set active false. Okay, let's get the game and see if there is any code. On 29, let's see. Yeah, I forgot. Yeah, damage. Wow, bro, what is going on? 10 and 19. What is it? Enemy health. 10 and 19 damage. I want to say, I want to say, I want to say, I want to say, forget something. Okay, which is another scripting we will do. Player shooting. Okay, sorry for it's my mistake. We will go on with the Visual Studio. Okay, it's not a problem for me. On player shooting, we got another script here, another function here. In this script, we will add two variables here, public game object, and bullet prefab, let's say, because we will add a bullet one time and use it infinitely, and a public transform and fire points, gun point, anything you can say here. Okay. Wait, start, wait, update. I will delete start one and come to update. For what I'm done. On wait update. If, let's say, input, uh, we didn't get an input, but it's not a problem. Okay, get key down. I don't know if it's reading right that. Key down and W. Or space. Not a problem. I will. Oh, space is better. Okay, no problem. And if it's space, then just should function we will call. And here void should, not with 2v, void. Ah, bro, what I'm doing? Yeah, what a good scripting here. Game object, bullet, equals to instantiate and bullet prefab. Let's say fire points dot position and fire points dot rotation. I'm sorry. Oh man, rotation. And close it. Bullet dot set active false here. Okay. On shoot, we made the game object with fire point position and rotation on bullet prefab. And when the lifetime of the bullet ends, the bullets will be false on set active because a lot of bullets make some rendering problems and we need to make them set active false. And I don't know if it is enough. 12. What is it? Key down. Um, I just said the key down is not good. It's key code. Okay, there is a problem with it. And the other damage contents is here too. Okay, we made a damage on bullets. What we haven't done, damage is not appreciated. I will look at it and after that I will come. Okay, let's come to anime health. We said take damage and it's int damage here and on player health it's same for player health must be damage. Okay, they are done. And health, I don't know if another of them is necessary, but it must work. Yeah, int is inaccessible due to its protect level. I don't know what is the problem, but I will try to. Enemy health and player health in damage. If current health is done, then no. Bullet to enemy health. On trigger, enter 2D. Collider 2D. Other if compare tag that enemy health. Other get component. Enemy health. If enemy health is not null, enemy health dot take damage and damage. Deactivate enemy player health. What we haven't done is yeah. If it's player health, other get comes player health. If player health is not null, player health take damage 1. Oh, they are true, but I don't know. I will fix. Oh, okay. I just didn't add any public to avoid take damage and enemy health. They must be the problem, I think. And after that, come to top-down shooter game, and it must be working right now. Okay, it's working. Let's go. Okay, we'll add player health here and enemy health to here, and its health is 1. And we will add we will create a square 2 which will be a small one like 2.0 to 2.0 2.0. Okay, this is the bullets we will use. Bullets, let's say, and this is the enemy, by the way. You will add tag which is enemy. Save it. Enemy come, enemy, add it. And bullets. We made it. Bullets, which is speed is 10, damage is 1, and lifetime is 3. What we haven't add is player shots, player shoot, and bullet prefab. Okay, let's add another folder here, which is prefabs. Let's say prefabs. And on prefab, I will add bullet here, and when come to player, we will add a player bullets prefab and open a fire point here, fire points, and we'll transform it, which will be to center of the player, and we will add child object. Okay, I'll delete this one. And player is has need a fire point. Okay, it must be working right now. Let's try it. Hold on. Just oh, why it is not shooting? I don't know. We will fix it. Okay, I just found that I'm a stupid one because in player shooting void chat function, we write we wrote this statement which is just killing the bullet as it spawns. Okay, let's start the game here, and if it's killing the enemy, it is working. I don't want to say other things. Okay, it's working. It's really working at this point, and it kills the enemy, but it doesn't chase the enemy. And if you can, as you can see, it's about the lifetime. And that's all. I will clip this video too much because I had so many mistakes. Um, in conclusion, I can say we add a bullet here as a code. The last version is this. And enemy health, we just add int damage here because, and same for the player health, we take damage, and add public to their startings because some problems. And the player shooting, had written that set active false, and it as a blunder, I can say. And the last codes are like this, and the inspector panel, I can change these ones. And speed 10 is good, lifetime is okay, everything is okay. Rigid body 2D, its body type is kinematic. Freeze rotation Z is active. It is trigger player fire point is a child object, and um, inspector panel settings is like that. No other things. In the next video, we will fix the chasing part of the bullets. That's all for this video. Okay, see you. Let's go on the next video.